Apsara Rani. Actually, I'm very happy with Maggie. When Maggie banned, no, I felt like, oh, Maggie, you're banned.
You know what I did?
Yeah.
I bought Maggie in black.
Okay.
For 10 rupees packet, we paid 50 rupees and we bought.
But you are in white. What a good joke. Okay, you did.
Bad joke.
Okay. Joke or kada?
Joke.
It is a joke. Okay.
So we bought Maggie in black, I remember. In college days, we used to love eating Maggie, and Maggie banned means we were going crazy. We were so addicted to Maggie, I think. And now I don't get to eat Maggie, but I'm happy.
ఓకే చాలా బాధాకరమైన విషయం. ఓకే మీ జీవితంలో కూడా కొన్ని కాఫీలు ఒక గ్లాస్ పాలు కొంచెం గుప్పడి మ్యాగీ ఇలాంటివి దొరకాలి ఫ్యూచర్లో అని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే ఐఎమ్ ప్రేయింగ్ ఫర్ యూ లార్డ్, గివ్ హర్ గుడ్ ఫ్యూచర్, గివ్ హర్ గుడ్ బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్.
ప్లీజ్ ప్రే కంటిన్యూ.
ఓకే సో అప్సరా లెట్స్ ప్లే ఏ గేమ్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ట్రూత్ ఆర్ డేర్ వింటూ ఉంటాం కదా, లెట్స్ ప్లే లైక్ ట్రూత్ ఆర్ ట్రూత్.
Truth or truth?
Truth or truth. Okay. So I'll ask you one question. You should say it is truth. You should convince me that it is a truth.
Okay.
If it is false, also you should convince me like that is truth. And you can also ask me, and I do the same.
Okay.
Okay then. Okay. Did you ever count how many noodles in a Maggi packet?
No. Not there, not here either.
మీ జుట్టు ఎందుకంటే రింగుల్ గా ఉంటుంది? Why your hair is so curly?
Because it is curly because I'm born that way, and I think my family, everybody in my family in Odisha, mostly people have curly hair. They don't have straight hair. And I tried straightening when I was in modeling. I tried straightening again, it becomes curly.
Oh, అయినా కూడా రేణు ఏం క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతావే నువ్వు? కర్లీ హెయిర్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో అనుకుంటే వస్తుంది, లేదంటే దేవుడు ఇస్తే వస్తుంది. Okay, sometimes I feel so that like I'm a lucky girl, I'm a good girl. Yeah. Is that true?
You are a lucky girl? Yes.
Oh.
Of course. That is why I came to surprise you. You are such a good girl and lucky girl. That's why I came.
ప్రతి దానికి ఆమెకు అనుకూలంగా పడేస్తున్నారు. Okay. So Apsara, let us start seriously. Let me know. First thing is, what is the weird thing in your life?
Weird thing in my life? I think weird thing in my life. I think nothing's weird. Everything is crazy and good. But yeah, one weird thing I want to complain about my mom. Okay. Yeah.
చెవులు పెద్దవి చేసుకుంటావి. Come on.
So she has not allowed me to keep a pet from so long. So I think that is the weirdest thing because I love animals. Okay. I quit non-veg because I'm such a big animal lover that I don't want any animal to get hurt because of me. Okay. And she is not allowing me to keep a pet. She's like a typical Indian mom. She's like, बचपन में तुम्हारी पोटी साफ करो, अभी बड़े होके कुत्तों की पोटी साफ करो. And she's like, oh my god, she's such a typical Indian mom, sitting right there and laughing. But I think that's the weirdest thing, and you know, because I know I travel because of my work. That's why I'm okay, fine. I cannot have it. Okay, I want to ask you, who is your favorite actor? Who do you have a crush on, like so hot like that?
So hot. Okay. Ram Charan, but he married.
You cried when he got married.
I deeply hurt, yaar.
Deeply hurt, no? Yeah, I know when actors get married.
Yeah, he did a film like Orange. అది రిలీజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ పాటలన్నీ నా కోసమే అని ఫీల్ అయ్యాను ఒకప్పుడు. ఆ తర్వాత అర్థమైంది ఉప్మా మహానికి నీకు అంత సీన్ లేదు. There is some upasana in his life. Okay, and next thing, what's in your phone?
Personal, nothing really personal. WhatsApp and Instagram and Twitter. My Twitter got suspended.
Okay, I want to see your wallpaper.
It'll be me.
Oh,
it's obviously me.
Okay.
So, how much time did you take to get ready for today's interview?
I don't know, maybe okay, half an hour.
Half an hour? Nice. I took more time.
How much time will you take?
So usually I take 45 minutes depending, and sometimes I take 1.5 hours depending on my mood. You know, sometimes I get super messy, I drop things and I get very irritated while getting ready because I'm confused what look do I do today, and sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 20 minutes. So mine's not fixed. Depends on my mood.
సో ఎప్పుడైనా మీ మదర్కి కానీ అబద్ధం చెప్పి డిడ్ యూ లై టు యువర్ మదర్ అండ్ మీట్ సమ్ అదర్ గాయ్ ఆర్ ఎ పర్సన్ telling your mom like I'm meeting a girlfriend but you just meet a boy?
Actually, my mom is cool, so whenever I want to meet a guy or anybody, I just tell her and I'm meeting him. Like whoever guy friends I have, she knows everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, even in college, if I wanted to meet someone or if I used to like one of my seniors, so I came and I told mom, I like this guy who's my senior. And so I'm very friendly. She's been very friendly with me, and she's never really restricted me. Otherwise, if she becomes strict, I will not share my stuff with her. So she's very cool that way. I don't have to lie.
Have you ever tried a online dating app?
No, I don't have to. Because you know, when I go, so for example,
Actually, I'm not convinced with this. You didn't tell a lie.
No. I haven't, because you think I have to try. So if I just go out, I go out in a party. If it's a privilege that a girl has. If I wanna go out with any guy, so there are 10 guys, I think nobody will say a no to me. So why do I have to install an app? I can just go party, and if I like someone, I can just. And I'm very choosy. I think these apps and all, people who don't have a social life, or people who don't have a circle, like I have a good social life in Bangalore, and I used to party a lot, almost every 2 weekend, every month, twice or couple of times. So I used to party a lot, and if I really want to talk to someone, I would meet them and talk to them. I would never install an app and text. I hate texting.
You hate?
So
I too hate texting.
So boring. It's so much of time, waste of time. Oh my god, I hate texting. I would rather call and talk. But I don't like texting. So, do you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Are you confused or you're laughing to hide it? Whatever.
Intelligent girl. Kaadandi.
Or both also.
Yeah, I have both. Like I have boys friends, girls friends. I have both girlfriend and boyfriends.
No boyfriend or girlfriend.
Friends.
Okay, friends.
Multiple.
I'm talking about a love relation.
Okay, I love everybody. I love Maggie. I love my cell phone.
I wish I could be so diplomatic in my answers, and interviewers will be like, please answer properly, okay? We need point to point answers. So I used to be straight on, So yeah, your turn.
What is weird rumor on yours?
Yeah, I heard a rumor that I'm going for Big Boss.
Oh.
Yeah, that's when my pictures were released, and some 2-3 news channels will post I'm going to Big Boss. Even if I'm the last person on this planet, if I'm offered whatever I need in life, I will never go to Big Boss. Never ever. I'm not so jobless. I think I don't like the concept of Big Boss, and I'm like, rumor karna hi tha, kuch acha karte.
Okay, rumors pettina kuda manchi rumors pettandi. Which kind of rumors you wanna have?
You know, rumors for actors and actresses, I think the best rumor is she has an affair with this person, this has an affair. Even if it's there or not, but it at least creates interest in people. सबको जानना होता है सच में है कि नहीं affair. At least me, if I really like an actor or actress, I would want to know who is she dating, who is he dating. I think these kind of rumors are cool, man. ऐसे ही बोल दिया ठीक है. The Big Boss, oh my god, never. Please kill me before that.
Okay, come on. Let's have a thumbnail. Big Boss kelle mundu nannu champeyandi.
Okay, I'm sorry, Big Boss people. No personal issues, but that rumor was too bad. I would never go to Big Boss.
Okay, so you
so my turn. So, for example, you love a guy, you want to marry him, and your parents are against it. So, would you marry him, or would you listen to your parents? What decision would you take?
Typical question.
You will expect intelligent questions from me. I will put you in situations like this.
Okay.
Sure.
నేను గనక ఒక అబ్బాయిని గనక ప్రేమిస్తే అది మా పేరెంట్స్ ఒప్పుకోకపోతే
Parents are opposed. Parents are opposing your marriage, and they are like, अगर इससे शादी करो तो हमारे से रिश्ता खत्म. लड़का बोल रहा है कि मेरे से शादी नहीं किया तो मैं मर जाऊंगा. खत्म. Extremes. अब बोलो मुझे. What will you do?
Okay.
What would you do? Like, I have an answer. After this, I'll only answer my question. I just got an answer for that. What would I do?
What would you do?
No, you answer first.
So First of all, I try to convince my parents if I love someone. If they reject, like at that situation, if that guy is more, if he shows more love towards me, and if he just like my father or like my brother,
he is very.
I will definitely. I'll just remain like this, and I'll just wait for my parents to convince them. And I'll make them to accept my proposal. Until then, I won't get married.
Okay.
And I'll marry that guy if that guy is much lovable.
Okay.
Yeah. So then, what's your answer?
My answer was so if my parents are not agreeing to my marriage, first thing, I don't want to get married. I hate marriages.
Okay.
But I don't understand the concept of marriage. तो पहली बात तो मुझे खुद शादी नहीं करनी है. तो वो लड़का मना रहा होगा तो मैं बोलूँगी देख पेरेंट्स मना कर रहे हैं शादी के लिए और बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड रहना है तो रह सकते हैं. सो आई विल कन्विंस दैट वे. यहाँ से मम्मी पापा को भी टेंशन नहीं है, शादी नहीं की, हाँ बॉयफ्रेंड भी, अरे मम्मी पापा नहीं मान रहे, मुझे ही नहीं करना है शादी. सो आई जस्ट डू दैट.
Actually, Apsara, come here. Come here. Will you marry a girl or a boy?
That's a complicated question. No, I will never get married. At least see, we don't know what I'm gonna think after 5 years from now. I don't know what situation I'll be. I can fall in love. I believe in love, but I don't believe in marriages. I have seen marriages are not good for women. I think for a woman, marriages can only restrict them. And I think until and unless men in the society think that a married woman can have her own personal life, I don't think I want to get married. That is the reason.
Okay, so living a relationship, like did you have ever a living relationship?
Live in relation? No. I live with my parents.
So that is also a relationship.
Yeah. That is a relationship you cannot help. अब वो भगवान ने दिया है तो झेलना पड़ेगा. Sorry, my mom's sitting right there looking at me. So that is, but that is a relation you have no choice. I thought live-in relationship is a choice when you want to live with someone. But no, and I've never fallen in love like that, or I don't think so.
అబ్బాయిలు ఈమెకి బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ లేరంట, నో లివ్ ఇన్ రిలేషన్షిప్ అంట, అప్పుడప్పుడే పెళ్లి చేసుకునే సూచనలు కూడా లేవంట, కొన్ని ఏళ్ళు ఆగుతారు, ఆ తర్వాత కూడా చేసుకునే, అంటే లైక్ షీఈస్ వెయిటింగ్ అనమాట ఎవరైనా అబ్బాయి. లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఏ గాయ్ కమ్స్ టు యూ అండ్ ప్రపోజెస్ యూ, వాట్ విల్ యూ డూ?
If I like him, I'll definitely tell him coffee पीते हैं फिर बाकी की बातें करते हैं.
Oh.
If I don't like him, I'll be like so sorry. I'm so sorry. And I'm a sweet person. If anybody comes to propose me, I'll make sure कि वो बेचारे को बुरा नहीं लगे. At least I'll have a coffee with him, or if he's very sweet and very respectful towards me, I'll definitely at least have a coffee and a conversation. I think if you give a little bit of your time, that person will be happy. So that way I'll be nice. So I want to ask you what you and everyone here are asking, both of you also and you also, what kind of thumbnail you guys are planning up? मेरे को पहले से बता देना, ना you tell me what is your plan.
Like we are planning like Apsara ఎందుకు ఇంత అందంగా పుట్టారు, లైక్ మతలబ్ చెప్పనుగా, వై Apsara born such beautiful. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే Apsara listens her mom every time. We'll keep these kind of thumbnails.
Oh my god. But that is ulta. I don't listen to my mom. She ulta. I only trouble her. Yeah, I listen to her, but I'm a little stubborn girl, so I think.
Stubborn?
Yeah, I'm very stubborn. I have never met someone in my life who's as stubborn as me. If I want to do something, it's right or wrong, if I think that is right, I will do it.